All right, so I just had a dude tell me that there's no striper out here this time of year, but I caught one 2 weeks ago. Wasn't a giant, but it was a fish. So main goal today, defy the odds, catch a fish. There's one right there. I mean, first cast, boys. If that's a striper, we'll eat him. Yep, we'll eat him. Hybrid. We'll eat him. He eats. Cue. First cast. What can I say?
That's a big fish.
Oh, it's a hybie.
Yeah.
He'll eat. I've never ate them, boys, but we're about to try it today. This is exactly what I wanted. So guys, I didn't even do the intro, but this is exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna try this hybrid tonight. It's always good when you catch them first cast. Can't complain. Have a good day. He smoked that. That husky jerk, man. First cast, bro. Wow. Defy the odds, right? I was just talking about it. I didn't even have enough time to get the words out of my mouth. And I'll show you guys something that I was looking at. Is you got that herring over there literally eating bait right now. A lot of times that's a good indicator that, okay, there's fish here. Let's see if we can catch something else. That's crazy, bro. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for tuning in with me today. You're back with Tanner Takakawa, and I didn't even have time before the first cast to do the intro, but my main goal was to get off that I'm out here to catch fish, but if I can catch a hybrid or a striper today, we're gonna do a catch and cook. I've never eaten hybrid or striper. I thought it was gonna be a good idea, and before you know it, I threw a cast, and first cast hooked up to probably about a 3-pound hybrid, so we're already in the plus zone. We've already got a fish under our belt. We're gonna fish for probably about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, see if we can catch anything bigger. I'm fishing the new custom rod that I built. It's a Rain Shadow 967. Custom built all the way from the blank to the cord to the reel seat to the guides, and just decal wrap. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, leave a like, and let's go ahead and jump into it. We're breaking out the 6-inch trace. Now that tail right there is all curled up. We need to put a new one on, but I think that it'll still catch fish. Just gonna slow roll this thing. This camera's still overheating. Let's try throwing a little paddle tail. That little guy right there. Usually you have some luck. You got hybrids, spots. One hibs. Baby striper. Back to the jerk bait. The last bait I'm going to throw is the Lucky Craft Samuelson. With Samuel Johnson. Let's do some dinner, man. Dinner, dude. That right there, 3-pound hybie. Not out of this forever. I don't know if they're gonna be the best, but we'll try them. He's yellow, bro. I'll show you what I'm gonna do while I'm at it. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the gill line here while I'm out here. This works with saltwater fish and freshwater. You take it at the gill line, and then you would just pop that gill line out. Just like that right there. You see already it's what we're doing. He's already bleeding out. We'll see how he eats. Look, he is still bleeding out, bro. Throw him in the bucket. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and just clean this good old hybrid without making a mess here. It's a good fish too. That's the thing. 3.5, 4-pounder. It'd be better with a fillet knife, but I don't have one. Mm-mm. No sir, no sir. It's all good, I can use this one. It'll do. It'll do, my boy. That's how we're cleaning it right there, just simple and plain, without making a mess. It's the easiest way I know how to do it without making a mess. So we're gonna take the knife. Can you guys see that? Barely. We're gonna take the knife. It's better with a fillet knife. We're gonna run it down to the skin, and then we're just gonna pull that skin and pull the blade. Push the blade upwards. With the rib cage, I'm not too concerned about it. Honestly, I should have cut that off first, but it's all good. Because now it's making it hard to get this meat off of here. There we go. First fillet. Knocked out the park.
There's some, bring that out there. There we go.
Dude, that's some good looking meat, really. Really? I bet they are. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out. I don't want nothing to do with those rib bones there. If I don't have to deal with them, I won't. There we go. 2 fillets. So many pin bones in there. A little bit right there. So that's the piece of meat right there that it produced. That's a pretty dang good looking piece of meat. Not a whole lot of bloodline in there. We're gonna rinse these fish off in salt water. We'll make that salt water ourselves. Just rinse off the scales, that's all we're doing. Alright, got this cutting board cleaned up. Majority of the scales off. Then we're just gonna put a little bit of Himalayan sea salt on them. A little bit of pepper. Dang, I should have picked up some sugar. Yeah. Because we don't have any, I don't think. Alright, I'm not gonna put any sugar. I was gonna put sugar. Now I'm gonna warm this little guy up to, let's see, we're gonna keep it half heat. We don't need it crazy. Got some unsalted butter. Then we got fresh garlic, because I'm digging the fresh stuff. Then I'm gonna chop up a piece of garlic, super fine cuts. I'm gonna need a little more than that. Now we got that warmed up just a little bit. Honestly, might need a little more. We'll warm it up for just a second longer. But while we're doing that, we're gonna cut up a lemon. Let's see that. I'm gonna use this piece for the juice. Then we're gonna cut super thin slices here. This. We're gonna try it. All right. What we got? Got the lemon slices here. We're our melted butter. Now we're gonna take some garlic, chopped up garlic. We're gonna put it in there. Squeeze some lemon juice. Just like that right there. All right, now we're ready to cook. I'm gonna take a piece of butter here. Simple and plain, like I said, I've never done this, man. Our first piece here. And our second piece here. And I'll take a little bit of this sauce. And now we wait. Ooh, that stuff is coming apart, bro. You gotta see what it's doing. Some more garlic in there. I think that's pretty much done, boys. Put some rice here. See what it's looking like. Yo, Devin, you want to try it? Boy. Alright, let's try this crap out, man. Got a little bit of rice. Now this was cut out of the river, so it might be a little gamey. Not bad, bro. Not bad, bro. It could taste a little more sweet. Like if I had some sugar, I could have made it a little sweet.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good fish, bro. First time ever eaten hybrid. Fish right there, baby. Big fish. Big fish. I think it's a catfish. I think that's a catfish. I'm not sure what that is. Think it's a catfish. I don't want to tighten up the drag too much. Oh crap. He's about to dump me. Off the jerk bait, man. Cracked it. So he's staying really deep. I feel the tail whips, which tells me that it's probably a catfish. And he could run me right into a rock, but it could be a striper. Nope, that's a catfish. Oh, there he came off. 20-pound cat. $20-pound catfish right there, boys. Drag was too tight, you know, is what do you do? There's not a whole lot you can do, right? Using light tackle and